This is the TENS 7000. This is available on Amazon. Usually what we're gonna do is we're gonna apply the electrodes in a crisscross pattern. This is what I call stacking modalities. So I've got one wire lead. I'm gonna pull one electrode off and I'm gonna put it on the inside above the joint line. I'm gonna grab the second electrode. I'm gonna put it on the outside below the joint line. Then I'm gonna do the opposite on the other side. So I go one below, one above. Now from there, we're gonna wrap cryotherapy ice pack. I'm gonna keep the TENS unit up by the hip so that the wire leads can come through. I'll turn on the compression. It's ready to do its job. I'll turn on the electrodes. It's ready to do its job. And then I sit back and relax. There is nothing better than after spending a day in the clinic, you're on your feet, you're moving around, or worse, you're sitting at the desk working on the computer all day. You want to get the blood flow and the circulation back into the system. Stacking modalities like this is one of the best things you can do. All of it comes back to finding good quality products that you can rely on. And for me, I love the Renpho leg compression device because it's consistently been a top performer in my clinic. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you on the next video.